Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Today we are learn about how to make $1 million from email marketing business in USA. Okay, let's start this video. How we generate $1 million in 1 month with email marketing. Okay, in this summer of 2019, in the team at Samadhi marketing research our first milestone on generating our $1 million in 1 month using email and marketing and through a concerted concerted team effort between our team and our clients paid advertising team, and we are able to smash previous recorded and reach new light heights. Okay, and after getting clear consent from our client, I put together a list of five tickets tax tax of tax we implemented to pull this off due to client confidently. I cannot give away any identifying information, and many of the screenshot blur or sensitive data. We take our clients data previously seriously. With that said, I am able to glean some insight as to how we were able to achieve this milestone. So let's break down five secrets of our email marketing strategy that made one of our clients however $1 million and additional 33% of revenue in 13 days. Okay, five five a strong welcome series. Okay, the welcome series is one of the most important email flow any brand or businesses can implement if gives you the opportunity to explain what your business stand for, what products or services your offer, and what kind of content subscribers can expect to receive. If think of it like a digital handshake. The welcome series is also a great way to boost your deliverability and sender reputation. And seeing as a large amount of email going out from your expect comes from the welcome series. It's a great way to increase your email overall open and click rates. However, this goes both way. If your welcome series is unengaging in our interesting, and you run the risk of damaging your deliverability. Okay. In regard to this case study, in the welcome series where the flow that attributed the largest amount of flow or revenue. There was a strong CTA and the subscribers were given their offer instant and usually. Okay. And number four, target segments. Okay. A targeted segment, sending email campaigning into an entire list is a great way to land yourself in the spam folder. People constantly get new email addresses, provide emails they rarely check. Our simply lost interest in your brand. If you continuously send to this is unengaged email addresses and deliverability KPIs being to drop into critical ranges. In this particular case, there were plenty of opportunities for up and cross sales, and the niche had a devoted audience. As a result, we are able to send weekly campaign to who and engage something segment featuring. Okay. Number one, related product that complemented previous purchases if they purchased before. Trend and popular products based on their browsing behavior and customers purchase behavior if they had not yet purchased. Number three, engaging ad free original blog post related to the niche and the client's products. Okay, this is strategies. Be sure to note the A&D and OR conditions. This can increases our describe the segment based on which each condition you choose. Certain changes were made based on which campaign we are sending. For example, if we wanted to send an email campaign to only those who have not yet made a purchase, we would add and uh, place order 0 or time our all time as a condition to the above engaged segment. And the big takeaway there is to readily think about the message you want to send and how it should be is sent to. Number three, know your KPLS and adjust accordingly. Okay. There are many metrics is to measures and monitor with email marketing. But for the is post, let focus on the five circle deliverability. A metric open rate, click rate, bonus rate, unsubscribe rate, and spam complaint rate. One of our top priorities is ensuring that flow and campaign email sent at least reach the following branch marks. Okay. Open rate 50 to 25% plus. Click rate 1.5 to 2.5%. Bonus rate 0.4 to 0.8%. Unsubscribe rate 0.2 to 0.3%. Spam rate 0.05 to 0.08%. For a more detailed explain, be sure to read and bookmark Kalio how to monitor email deliverability performance web page. When it come to these practical account, there how we were able to maintain our exceed these benchmarks consistently. Okay. Number one, open rate, split test, subject line, minimize, capital letters. Okay. Number two, click rate, less images, split test, CTS, pay of the subject line. Number three, bonus rate, excluding segment and regular list clearing. And number four, unsubscribe and spam rate. Utilize smart sending and segment campaigns. Okay. And number two, build a blog and use it for email content. There are delicate balance between contacting your subscribers too much and giving them what they want. One hand, you want to be the only brand they think about when they think of your niches. On the other hand, you don't want to lose them forever because you contacting theme too much. Think of it things this way. If you had a friend who sold shoes, and 75% of the time you say him he tried to sell you a pair of shoes. He was not would not be your friend for every long. However, if 75% of the time Jose him he gave you valuable insight into food, health, or fashion, you would look forward to the time you spend with him and appreciate his intellect. That that what equality belong allow you to do. It give you the opportunity to establish yourself as an authority in your industry. industry, which will also connecting your our audience regularly in a way that made sense. The opportunity here is massive when it comes to this account in particular. We were able to work with customers supposed to find questions that were frequently asked about the purchase and building in educational content around their question queries. We also split test different generative article topic related to the niche and ran it through our tools so that both Google and the audience loved it, and added bonus was the client using the successful article topics to create new products. Okay, and number one is rarely send discounts. When you always send discount or compounds to your subscribers, you are steadily selling. Okay, stealing from Peter to give to Paul, although it may yet an immediate return, and you are training in your list to wait for discount to buy again in the future. This erodes your brand's reputation, and ultimately it digs into your bottom line. Okay. With that said, discount are effective if a prospect expresses interested in your product based open certain behavior. So instead of capturing in their attention, and with a discount god discount behind, and action in other word utilized campaign to get the traffic to the website, and include discount in behavior triggered follows to finish the sale. In regard to this cases study, no discounts were sent in email campaigns only in certain behaviors, rigid flows, and the were not substantial, and the highest discount we sent was 15% off in the very last email of the advanced card series. We also made use of exacting discount on the site, meaning if an item was advertised as 50% off, we would send that offer first item more uh, uh, appending appealing appealing than 10 or 50% off, and did not affect our client profile profits margin. Okay. Warping it up. If you take away one thing from this is case study, Let it be. This is the most important factor in our success. Was our content monitoring of deliverability. You can have one appending offers inside of a beautiful email that leads to a stunning website, but if you who email does not land in the inbox, it's all worthless. Be sure to get that in line before implementing any of the other insight uh, provided. Okay, thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.